Hello, we're going to talk about 1stCall.help today. This is how you're going to get help and support if you're a 1stContact.ai customer. The first thing you're going to do is sign up. And at the bottom here is a little link to sign up. The website is 1stCall.help. There's also a link within your account on the left side that says help. And also, you may have it on your dashboard that says log a ticket. So once you've signed up, you're going to put in your email, your password, and go ahead and create an account. And then it's going to ask you for the name of your company. I already have an account set up, so I'm going to come out here and log in with that account using Google. And once you're inside the system, there's a very nice and clean dashboard. And this is all of your tickets, what's open and what's resolved. You can also filter and sort by statuses, priorities, and categories. The status you won't be able to set on your ticket. These are what our technicians will set, so you'll be able to see when we're working on your ticket, whether it's been escalated, resolved, or closed. You will be able to set the priority. Now, critical, I'm sure everybody's going to want to just pick critical, but critical is you can't use the system. Your business is down. This is like really, really bad. If it's a 2-day response, maybe there's a little glitch, we got to get it fixed. It could cause impact. Medium is a 4-day response. We can actually finish a lot of these within 3 days. And low is like, can somebody answer some questions or, just show me how to do this? And then the categories are for all of the features and functions within 1stContact. So you might have a question about forms, and so you can put in a ticket on that. At the top is the knowledge base, and the knowledge base is quite extensive. Everything is organized by subject area, and we're still building out the knowledge base. You're going to see more and more in here. And what you can do is you can also search and see if you can find what you're looking for. And if you're searching, make sure you're on all categories. And then when you find an article, you can open it up and go through it, and it has everything you need. There's help docs, and that is how you use this system. So creating tickets, tracking, replying. And then my profile is where you'll put your contact information. We do need to know your company so we can find your sub-account within 1stContact.ai. And you can turn on whether you want to get ticket updates or, if the ticket's closed. If you don't want any of these extra emails, you can turn these off. But today we're going to log a new ticket. We have a request. We have a request for a new workflow. So we're going to come up here and do new ticket. We're going to put in our company name. We're going to go ahead and pick our category, automations and workflows. The request is a new feature. And priority, I would like to get this done this week. And build a new workflow for core tactic. We need a new workflow for core tactic that can reply to customers who complete our contact us form. Okay. And then what will happen is the AI assistant is going to search the knowledge base and see if it can find a solution for you. And it came up with some stuff. Oh, how to create a workflow. It kind of walks through that. And you can browse the knowledge base right from here. But if it doesn't come up with a solution, you can also attach a screenshot, and then you're just going to hit create ticket. And now on the dashboard, you'll see that your ticket's been logged, and you can see the status. And when you go into the ticket, now you can see all the activity. So every time we update it or work on it, you'll be able to see what we're doing. You can also add a reply to send a message back to us. Like, oh, I forgot, I want there to be AI built into the workflow. And you can also attach multiple screenshots if you want to send us a screenshot as well. But this is 1stCall.help. If you need any help, You have a request, a problem, you need training, you have questions, come out here, get it logged, because then we can track and figure out what our customers need the most and make sure we provide that training. Have a wonderful day.